We got the Gforce Arms 410 lever action. Boogie wanted to throw on the red dot, so we're gonna try it out. We've already slung some lead shot here, 2.5 inch, 6 shot. We're not too familiar with it, but yeah, it's a pretty fun one, that's for sure. So we're gonna pause it and see how it does. Alright, so Boog says he's gonna go after the water jug first with the 410. Like I said, we got some lead shot. When you get comfortable, Boog, get that stock in your shoulder and let her fly. Hey, there you go. Nice. All right. Boogie still has a little problem there. It feeds pretty nice. Feeds the next shell up into it and chambers up for the next round. So there you go, Bug. Remember, finger off trigger till you're ready. Line up your shot. Oh, I missed that one. I couldn't see. Maybe the red dot's not on point either. That's all right. So I guess Kaysen did hit that one, actually. I just didn't see it. All right. There we go, Bug. Let me reposition this camera here. Nice. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, if I get off the zoom there. What do you think about the kick?
Yeah.
It's not too bad, huh?
Yeah.
Not as bad as you thought it was gonna be? Huh? Yeah. We got another one here. We're gonna see if Kaysen can blast that last jug off. Let me stop from shaking so much. All right, Bug, whenever you're ready, find your dot, breathe, and let her send. All right, my man. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, like I said, we just got into this. We're not too familiar with the shotguns, but this is the 410 Gforce Arms Lever action, and FDE skeletonized stock with the M-lock handguard. It's gonna be a little fun one, I think, that's for sure. We got a couple other different loads we'll try out in the future, but we wanted to come pop some shots off and see what it was like. I'm glad he was able to handle it and get a test run for it. So you excited about trying it again?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. All right, anyways, we'll get her back out soon.